In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how we made $50,230 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. I will share with you for beginners step by step how we can join affiliate programs step by step and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. You don't need to buy any courses about affiliate marketing or get any coaching programs or something like this. Just watch this video for free. This will be free course for you guys, step by step, showing you how you can start, showing you my method and how I made this commission over here, because I was promoting a lot of affiliate links and I have been doing this business for over 2 years. And in today's video I will share with you everything I know about Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, let's get started. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $50,230. Okay, so for people who are new to this business and you want to start, step number one guys is you need to go to Google and you need to search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link over here and you need to sign up to this website by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you will do, you will come to this page and you will scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission plan. If we click over here on see commission, you can see commission plan over here. Scroll down and as you can see over here, you can earn up to $150. Okay, if just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. They are really paying a lot of money and you can make a lot of money if you are following those steps that I'm gonna show you. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is really the best affiliate program that you can join right now. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do is just go back to this Fiverr affiliate website, click over here on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions over here, choose your country, okay, and choose your language. And as you can see, it's easy and simple. Put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, and I want you to pay attention in this step. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, click over here on the search for YouTube Shorts. Okay, search for YouTube Shorts, because a lot of people on Pinterest are searching for how to make YouTube Shorts. Okay, so they will be interested to use this service, and a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote their YouTube videos. Okay, so if they see this service on Pinterest, they will be interested to give it a try, and if they buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. So scroll down. I want you to pay attention. Like I said, make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 2 seller, level 1 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers have good reviews and they are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews He has almost 5 star. I will click on his service, and he also is making a that's really good. He is making YouTube shorts and Instagram reels and TikTok shorts. That's good. And as you can see, he has few orders in queue. What I will do, so let me delete this. What he will do, he will copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. It will take you to this page. Click over here and put your affiliate, this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google. So let me show you. Just go to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. It's easy and simple. Click on the first link over here. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest. Okay, make sure to open business account, not personal account. Okay, so what you will do next, you should see over here home feed. Click on home feed, click on create pin. It's gonna take you to this page. What you will do, you need to upload the picture that describe your service that you want to promote on Pinterest. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. So let me show you. You will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, click over here, and you should find this picture that you will use. Click on his picture like this, double click. So just double click on his picture, click on save image, and I'm gonna name it short save. So I will go back to Pinterest and I will upload this picture here. Okay, like this, open, and as you can see, your picture will be uploaded like this. This picture is really good and attractive. So what you will do, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So for title, what you will do, you will go back to his profile page, to this seller profile page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, you can use his title, description, that's fine. Put this description and put this title here, description. I will go back to his profile page, I will scroll down. You should see about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part. Just to show you, I will go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this affiliate link here, scroll down. You need to choose a board. Okay, click over here, and if you are new, click on create a board. You can create as many as you want, and it's easy. You just need to give it a name. I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here tags, okay, keywords that will be related to your service that you are promoting as an affiliate. So what you will do, you will go back to this Fiverr profile page on Fiverr. You will scroll down, keep scrolling down. You should see, so let me see, you should see related tags. Okay, so those are your keywords. Okay, so those are very important. Make sure to use a lot of keywords. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, and I will go back. I will copy, just to show you, I will copy this one. So but for you, make sure to use a lot of keywords, as many as you can. Paste. After you finish, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, looking good. this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, and if you are new to this business and you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just 3 to 5 affiliate links per day, and make sure to promote a lot. You need to stay consistent if you want to earn commission, okay? Because the more affiliate links you will promote, the more your chance to get commission will be high, okay? And if you want me to share with you more services, profitable services that you can promote as an affiliate, let me know in the comments, and see you in my next video.